guys, today we're going to be playing some Garten of Banban. Garden of Banban, whatever you call it. That's what we're going to be playing today. Okay, so first we have to go to new game. Let's do this. I'm very excited. Okay. For a parent looking for their missing child, time is a delicate matter. Press A to advance the time. Okay. Kid screaming. Okay. That sounds fine. Looks like you can kind of see something through the cracks on the door. Okay. Nothing's changed. Oh. Okay, the doors have opened, and now you see this weird looking guy with no head. Oh, and there's something going above him now? I don't know. Oh, it looks like there's like a note on the table also. Oh, and power's out. Cool. Oh, here we go. Alright. Looks like it's first player. Cool. A to interact with objects. Left stick to sprint. Okay. I don't know what objects I'm going to interact with. This looks like Jumbo Josh. Eat vegetables and fruits to become strong like me. And over here we have some creativity area. Okay. I don't know how you get through. Button. Nope. Okay. We have another door. There's something through it. Nope. And then we have, okay, these look like the characters. Here's Jumbo Josh. Boots. Okay. Nothing there. Oh, here's another button. Go through here, I guess? Oh, I can't really see anything through there, honestly. Alright, what can we do? What's back here? Cafeteria. Okay, we have some vending machines with nothing in them. Oh. Stinger Flynn. Stinger Flynn says, having many arms allows me to help a lot more people. You know, this does not feel like a horror game, except for the fact that it's a kindergarten with no children, and the vending machines are broken. No, but seriously, I mean, like, this just looks like a kindergarten. We have a desk. Oh. Oh. Oh, cool. Wait, can I interact with... What the heck? Boink. Did you see that? That thing just flew. I don't know. Okay, maybe we can we interact with this now? Oh! What's through here? So we have like... Oh, is that a drone? Yeah, that's a drone, and we have a remote. I can pick up the remote. To pick up the drone? Give me the drone. The remote requires 2 more batteries. Paper. Dear Mommy, I am hiding in a room, but I have to fight the monster. It is the only chance to make Claire like me. Sad face. Okay, so there is monster. Okay, it looks like a bird. Is there a bird on the wall? Here. Okay. What is that? What kind of bird is that? I don't know. Who cares? Oh, what? Watch. Oh, it was acting really weird. Where can I find batteries? Maybe they're in the cafeteria? Oh! Here's one. There's another right there. Cool. Okay. Okay, now what do I do? How do I... My drone! Hi! monster? Or what are you doing? Press ZR to use your toy? What the? Ah! What are you doing? ZL? Where the heck did you go? Ah! Controls can be accessed anytime at the pause menu. Cool. Can I press this button with it, maybe? Wait, is there a jump button? Oh, it's X. Okay, X is jump. It worked! Maybe I'll press this other button. Press this other one. It's red now. What the heck? Okay, try that again. Yippee! These doors open? Oh, okay, cool. Bird. There's a bird. Guys, there's a bird. There's a bird. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, no. There's a bird. Where did this thing? Let's just... Oh no. I see why this is a horror game now, jeez. Is that just, that looks like a toy. I'm not gonna go in there though. Not yet. What? The toys cannot be directly commanded to break materials such as yellow glass. Did you see that chair? What? What is up with the physics in this game, bro? Oh wait, I can go into the naughty. Can I teleport it? Yeah, there it is. Wait, it can or cannot? Okay, it cannot. I don't want to go in there. Okay, there's a closet. How do I open this? There's definitely something in there. Oh wait, I did not see this. Banban. Okay. Wait, this is called the Garden of Banban, or the Garten of Banban, right? Sharing is caring. Oh my gosh. Your pancreas are mine? Is that how you pronounce that? I don't know. I'm pretty sure that's like an organ or something. Oh my gosh, no. Oh look, there's like a megaphone? Okay, so we have cat. Oh! Oh, okay, so this is probably the room from the beginning. Okay, so we have Bandolina, kindness is free, so sprinkle it everywhere. Captain Fiddles. Ooga booga booga ooga. Okay, yeah, that comforts me a lot. I'm going in here. I will fight you, bird! Opila. Is that what its name is? Opila? Ha! Die. Okay. Right in the gullet. Opila. Opila bird is unbelievably hungry. Feed it 6 eggs to get you a prize. Oh! There's an egg right there. Cool. Just grab that. Okay. Okay, 6 eggs. I need another one. Maybe one on the side. Is that one? Okay, let's... Wait, how do I get that one? Well, hold up. Alright, one sec. I am so freaked out right now. Wait, can I send my drone down the slide? If I could send my drone down the slide, maybe? Yo, what? Get over here! Can you not? Go over there. Okay, you can't get in here. Get on the side. Maybe if I can, like... like send something down the slide? This does not work. Nope. Okay, send something down the slide to get that one, I guess. I don't know, that was weird. Oh, there's one right here. Ball pit closed, looks like. Okay. What, 2 eggs? I don't know, I'm just gonna go ahead and feed it. 1, 2. Find eggs. Okay, I have 2. I don't want to be haunted. This is freaking me out, yo. It's freaking me out. The scariest. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's actually not that scary. Yet. So far, we have seen a bird come into this room. Oh, there's an egg. Oops. Wait, is that an egg? Over there? No, I keep on pressing the wrong button. One, 2. Guess I need 2 more. One's at the side. I have an idea. Teleport to me. Why did the lights just change? Is it just me? Am I just freaking out, or did the lights just change in here? Where did my jump go? Okay, get in there. Nah, yo, I quit. What? Sorry if I sound weird. I just had 4 teeth pulled today. My final 4 teeth gone. I'm still kind of numb. So sorry if I sound weird. But bro, where's the last 2? This is so scary, bro. I don't want to get jumped. That's my worst nightmare, or my worst fear, is to get jumped. Not by a bird. I don't mind getting jumped by a bird. Wait, there's one over here? Wait, what's that? Wait, what? What did that do? Did it get the egg? Still see it, but I can't. Can I reach it? No. What the heck did that do? Did that do anything? Maybe I'll get the yellow. Oh, there's one. Here's one. Last one, I think. I hope that's not an egg, because that one looks hard to get. Last egg. Okay, feed eggs. Okay. I think there's one more and it's in the slide. How do I get to it? I don't know. Maybe like something spawned up there so that I can push it down. Oh, wait! There's a button. How did I miss that? Wait, was that always there? Wait, rewind the video. See if that was always there. Yay, yippee, yahoo! Yay. Alright, last egg. If I die, do I, like, just respawn in the same place, or... What happened? Ah! it's a yellow card. It's a yellow key card. Ooh. I could do that for in there. I don't even know what that does. Oh right, I can. Any monsters? I've only seen the bird. How do I? What? Huh? Huh? It opened! Okay, what? A hammer. Oh, and a note. Distraction at 1? Wait, what? Distraction at 1? What does that mean? What? What? Okay, I might need that later. Wait! Wait, can I go back and look at the time? Hold up, I'm going back into safe zone. Well, not safe zone. I don't know, but something just moved. Why is there a yellow chair? I don't know. Or just a bug. Yeah, just a glitch. Okay, wait. Hold up, I'm going to main menu. Distraction at 1. What does that mean? Hold up. If I load game, will it take me to the time? No. Why am I in here? The end is here. Yeah, no, that's freaky, bro. For distraction at 1. That has to do with the time, right? Can I go to settings? Is it in settings? No. Controls? No. Hold up. I'm going to main menu. Credits? Okay. Should I just new game? I'm in a new game. Okay, distraction at 1. Wait, what? Okay, on the chair at midnight, there's a hammer with 2 boards. Right? There's a hammer with 2 boards. And then at 1 o'clock, the hammer with 2 boards disappears. This guy pops up. Wait, there were 2 boards where the ball pit was closed. Do you think that's what that means? That could be what that means. I'm gonna go back. It might not let me go back though. And if it doesn't, I'll just... If it doesn't let me go back, I'll just play through. Load game. Do I have to replay all that? No, phew. Okay. We're good. Wait, I got the hammer, right? I got the hammer? Yeah. Yeah, so this is definitely the room. It had a hammer and 2 boards at 1, no, that was at midnight. It works. I don't want to go in here. There's the bird. Well, wait, where'd the bird go? Y'all remember? Yeah, I know, extra jump. I don't know what that means. Emergency stop. I can't do that. Opila bird says, laughter is the best best medicine, so make sure to smile. Oh gosh, that bird right there scared me for some weird reason. Yo, I do not like it in here at all. Bro, I might... What does this do? What does that do? Okay, there's a chair now. Can I just jump on the chair? Take a chill pill? That's really what I want to do. Now what? Oh god. There's footsteps over there. I don't want to get jumped. So just don't jump me. Yeah. Okay. What was my color? Okay, you're red. You're white. You're green. You're pink, right? Yep, you're pink. Pinkish purple. Well, pink with purple. Oh, I missed. You're purple? Is there a purple? Okay, he's blue. You're orange. Oh frick, what just happened? Oh, it's a door. Whew, scared me there for a sec. Oh, paper. I want to... Oh, I alone. I want to play with the whole, but... The whole bird. Ah! Don't get off, don't get off. No! Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! Stay back! 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 No! No! Bad bird! Bad bird! Bad bird! No! You. With a coin dropping sound. Headphone warning, y'all! Press A to be reincarnated. Okay. No, don't read the paper. Bro. Doesn't give me time. I can't go! Bro, what? Can I just jump? What if I just jump? What happens? S. Okay, I died. Oh my gosh! Wait, there was a button, right? I can't reach it. The frickin' bird. That's so scary, bro. I'm jumping with you. Ah! Ah! This game is so fun. S. USS. Is it that like us? USS. Okay. Bro, this is freaky, bro. What do I do with the bird? I'll try to pass it. I'll try to pass by it whenever it comes. And then jump back on and then press the button. If this does not work, I quit. Stop! Go away, bro. I'm trying to press that. Oh boy. Yeah, no, that don't work. Should I just run right by it? What's this gonna be? T! A yellow T! Okay, we have USS and a yellow T. Who's yellow? I forget who's yellow. I am not reincarnated again. No. We've already had pretty much a 30-minute long video. I will see you guys next time for part 2 of Garten Banban. This is freaking me out. Goodbye.